In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload folders to Dropbox. We'll walk through two clear approaches so you can pick what's most convenient for you, using the desktop app, which is the easiest and fastest, and using the website if you prefer the browser. Let's start with the desktop app. On Windows, open File Explorer. On a Mac, open Finder. Navigate to the folder you want to upload, whether it's on your desktop, in Documents, or anywhere else on your computer. In the left sidebar, you should see your Dropbox location. This is your synced Dropbox folder on your machine. Simply drag the folder you want to upload and drop it into that Dropbox folder. That's it, no extra buttons to press. The Dropbox app will begin syncing the folder to your account in the background. You'll usually see a small syncing indicator on the folder or files. When it changes to a check mark, the upload has finished. Keep your computer connected to the internet and awake while large uploads complete. Your original folder structure and file names are preserved, and any changes you make inside that Dropbox folder will sync automatically. If a folder with the same name already exists in your Dropbox, the contents will merge, so it's a good idea to double-check names to avoid confusion. Also, make sure you have enough space in your Dropbox plan for the files you're adding. Now, if you prefer using the website, here's the browser method. Go to dropbox.com and sign in. Once you're in your files area, open the location where you want the folder to appear. At the top, click Upload, then choose Folder. Your browser will open a system window that lets you pick a folder from your computer, select the folder you want, and then click Upload to start the transfer. Some browsers may prompt you to allow folder uploads. Go ahead and confirm if you see that message. Keep the tab open while the upload runs, especially for large folders. You'll see progress indicators as files move over, and once finished, your folder will appear in the chosen location online. If you have a lot of files, this might take a while, so a stable connection helps. To recap, the desktop app is the quickest way. Drag and drop into your Dropbox folder and let it sync. The website method works anywhere you can log in. With a simple upload folder, choose and upload flow. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.